In this video, I will show you how to upload videos to Canva. So let's jump straight into it. So to do this, the first thing we're going to want to do is load up canva.com. And what you want to do first is come up to the top left-hand corner and click onto the purple Create a Design button. Now, at this point, you want to come across to the menu on the left-hand side and click onto Videos. Next, what you want to do is click onto Video, and this is going to load up a blank video template, as you can see here. Now, what you need to do next is come across to the menu on the left hand side and click onto uploads. Once you've done that, you're going to see we've got images, videos and audio. So what you want to do is click onto videos and then go ahead and click onto the purple upload files button. Now at this point, what you want to do is go ahead and find your video using the file explorer. So I've got a video here ready to go. What I'm going to do is just double click to start uploading this into Canva. As you can see, the video is currently uploading. You can see the blue progress bar at the bottom, so it might just take a minute or two to go through, but you just want to wait for that to finish uploading. So here we are. As you can see, the video has now finished uploading, and to add this to your project, all you need to do is simply click onto it and it's going to add it to your project just like so. So that is how to upload videos to Canva. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.